2-0 and also down 2 points. But in the standings, though, they have a much favorable position as they are 1 win and no loss so far here this season, while FEU is 0-1 after losing to Ateneo in a 5-setter. There's Vargas again. Chamzon will attack. Rojas off the block, point FEU.
Bagang, Eulalio, and Rojas in the front line here for Giselle C. 3 options to attack, but Vargas.
Short run sa serve for Vargas this time. Del Rosario will check in for Bersola.
Service expert here for Coach Jared.
Just a 2-point lead para sa FEU 17, or make that 15, serving 17. Again, when C connects with Eulalio, it rarely comes back.
But that excellent set by C, resulting to a point there, courtesy of Eulalio.
But in a turn of events here, Coach Pamilar takes out C and Rojas to give more exposure and playing minutes for his other players. That was over-received, pero still won by FEU. Good block by Eulalio at the net. (19-15). 4-point lead for the Lady Tams.
Oh, and another. There's something about the service, the serves of FEU today. It's always balanced out with an error.
Napatawa na lang si Coach Ness and assistant coach Shaq. So Papa getting some minutes at the setter position para sa FEU. Nice play by Se.
Well read. We should just try to receive better when Se is in the front line.
That's a good idea. And do you think if UP really threatens FEU here, that Coach Ness will bring back Giselle C?
Probably. Or he can just stick with Papa for this set.
Well, UP's within 1, 18-19. So huge pressure for Papa to deliver a la Giselle C here. That was Dawson with a push. Papa to Dawson. Dawson is wide. 19 all. Here comes UP.
Right now, Coach Ness just really maximizing and making sure that he has 3 attackers in the front line.
That's not gonna fly. Papa, too inexperienced to execute that move. And ito na nga. Hindi na nakatiis si Coach Pamilar with a bunch of errors, series of errors from FEU. Binalik ulit. Very, very short rest for Giselle C and Major Rojas here.
Well, what Coach Ness now wanted in that substitution was to make sure that he had 3 attackers in the front line. So, sa kanya siguro it doesn't matter just having 2, but he doesn't want to let go of this set.
UP in the lead for the first time in this match, 2019. Se. Oh, don't look now. UP up by 2, their biggest lead of the match, and Coach Pamilar is flustered here, calls a timeout right away. We'll listen to FEU.
Di pa rin. Pwede baguhin ang play, di ba? Hindi porke sinabi mo na, yun na lang ang play mo. Paano naman sir, pag nag-iba yung receipt, pwede mo baguhin. Ha? Kapitan nyo lang. Sige na, sige.
Dalawa lang ha.
Kapit mo konti ano. Huwag ka rito pumwesto. Sa gitna kayo, sa gitna mo pa-receive yung bola.
Coach Pamilar experimented with the new setter. And, well, needless to say, he went back to his old one.
He definitely doesn't want to let go of the third set and extend to a fourth. He wants to have a good comeback from that loss against Ateneo.
And the starting six rectifies that immediately.
Eulalia, one of the top scorers here for FEU in this game.
Bagang. And she scores just like that. 21 all. You know, you can really tell that a game can be in control of just one person, you know, and Giselle C has that control para sa FEU. She comes in and everything is in order.
And that's what you want also, diba? That's the kind of authority and the kind of presence that you would want in your players, specifically the setter.
Free ball as UP was in disarray that time.
Oh, look at that. Oh. Point to UP.
Yomang na ulit ang Lady Maroons here, 22-21.
That one is out. UP doing a good job in hanging on here in the third set.
But Palma rectifies her mistake right away in the next play, 22 all.
That's the right attitude. Coming from an error, babawi ka agad. What you want to see, make up for it immediately.
And for a big girl, to see Remy Palma, she can move as well, you know. She can run, she can jump.
Very aggressive on at the net as well.
Bagang with the serve. Princess Se.
Oh, Princess Se really doing a lot of damage here for UP.
And this is the problem if you're FEU. Nagkaroon ng kumpiyansa ang UP. And UP 23, serving 22.
Now, Bersola, there's some pressure here for Bersola and Ong to deliver the points.
That's on the money for Palma. Again, 23 all. Both teams just trading points here late in set number 3. A very consistent server is C. And you see why. Over-received right away ng UP, and it's match point para sa FEU as itong si Palma takes care of that over-reception by UP. Let's listen to Coach Ubalde.
Harap ka. Okay, so tingnan nyo ang kailangan mangyari kasi harap ka, di ba? So safe lang muna tayo na play. So mangyayari front quick siya, tapos open. Isa tayo, open. Okay, kailangan lang ma-all natin yan. Okay, so kailangan mag-good receive tayo and then creation tayo ng play. Okay, so pakita mo lang na convincing na pwede siyang sabayan. Okay, then grow tayo, open. Aliyah, one stop ha. So isa na lang yan. Okay, so buwan ang tamaan. Ha? Go.
Well, they just need 1 point here to extend this set 3, but not if Giselle C and company can help it. Match point, FEU.
Oh, and she
Gift,
into the net.
regalo, gift wrap, especially for the Lady Maroons.
Now, if they lose this set, that could be the turning point.
That's true.
That is actually the turning
That is
point.
the turning point. Masabi ko, consistent server.
Oo nga.
That was that was my last statement before the first serve.
Jake.
Oh, yeah, could be. But Vargas puts FEU at match point again, 25-24. Very efficient offense talaga para sa FEU, no? You give them an opening, and they'll really take care of their business.
But just like what we said, yung assistance ni Giselle C, or her sets rather, is also playing a big role.
Oh, yes. It is the reason why FEU is here. And Vargas, another gift para sa UP here, 25 all. Parang bitin pa yata sa Naruto.
Parang naiiksiyan sila eh. Sabi nila, pahabain kaya natin.
Konti pa. That's not even close.
At nabuhayan ang UP here in the third set.
Tough setup job para kay C. Here's UP's chance. Chamzon. Great pickup by Agno. Vargas. Nice defense. Oh, it's set point.
Magtalas.
Oh, was it Magtalas on the air?
Double called on Magtalas. Take a look at that again.
Seemed like an overreach on the part of FEU. So a match point para sa FEU. I stand corrected. The call was against UP. And it's Vargas. And her serve. Oh, an ace! And that is all she wrote para sa FEU Lady Tamaraws as they cruise to a win here. Albeit a more scarier third set compared to the first two, but still they got the result that they wanted, a sweep of UP.
That's right. Great comeback here for the Lady Tamaraws. Ito yung kailangan nila. They just need to get the momentum back and, taking it one